You know what?
Alright, we are here down here in the tunnel. It's really dark.
I'll set the tri-static box over here.
Okay.
This will light up if there's anything around it.
Alright. My camera is known to shut off. This is my camera now. I used Chris's last time for investigation, and my camera is known to shut off just out of nowhere. I've tested my camera at home and it stays on for more than 30 minutes. When I go to do an investigation somewhere, if there is activity, my camera is known to shut off. So if it cuts off, I will tell you when I start recording again that it is recording, and I'll tell you what happened. But other than that, let's see if we can find something tonight. Really? Yeah, I got it right here in the camera. What about your other one?
Oh, I just got a spike. Look.
Alright, I'm gonna record.
Nothing very strong, though.
Yeah, as you can see, there's trains right here just stationed here. It's probably been parked here for a long time. We saw this train the last time we were here, and we tried to survey it again how to get down here. We finally found how to get down here, and the train was still here. So we heard bumps earlier when we were on our way here from the train. Hopefully we could pick them up again on the camera with the audio.
Banging on the train too.
Yeah. Oh. Come on. I thought I said, yo, this shit is fucking playing games with my eyes. What the fuck? Still pause? Is that still on?
Yeah.
Yeah, far away too. What about the other one? Hasn't even turned on yet, huh?
No. I may wind up moving it down here.
Yeah.
No, let me go grab that. I'll let you know if this spikes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn my light off now. You don't want too much light.
Yeah.
You still recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Shut it down for a while.
Somewhat?
I want it dark sometimes.
You want it dark? I mean, you can't see shit, but oh well. I already showed what's going on in here. Alright. Alright, it's gonna be pitch black. This is how you're seeing it right now, and I just burped. Yeah. I'm gonna keep recording. Yep. There's the thing. See, when that passes over with somebody, it turns on. That's just Leonard picking it up. That's a motion detector. So when that turns on and we're not near it, that means something just walked by. I can't see shit.
I'll leave the blue in for now.
Yeah, thanks.
The moment I pick up spikes, this is where I'll leave the light. Oh, I just hit a 3 on this.
Where?
Look at.
He's trying to get energy. My camera's gonna shut off if he does.
I'm gonna leave it right here. And see.
Yeah, let's go.
My ship breaks if that light goes on.
How long does it take to turn off?
No, it's off now. It's on. It's on.
That's what I'm saying.
And I have it on auto, so it's
Yo,
off until
I
something
wish
goes
you
around.
brought the other one. I want to know the temperature in this fucking place right now.
It's off now.
Yep, hold on, hold on. Stop moving, stop moving. Don't turn it on.
Leave it pitch black, see if it comes on again. Here, let's step back. Maybe we're in the way.
I doubt it.
Maybe he wants space.
Probably. Yo, yo, yo.
I heard that. It's over there.
No, down there. Oh, what the fuck?
It's over here. Heard that.
I don't know, that could be the water
Yeah,
or a...
that's what I was thinking. Come on, let's just keep walking. We're not even halfway through this thing yet.
I know, it's fucking long as fuck. But trust me, I could see that thing light up even with the camera far away.
Oh, it's water. That was all the way up.
I'm trying to read you. There we go, come on. Come on, boy. I know you're here. If you're here, come on, get close to us.
What the f...
That was no drip. That was a bang.
What the fuck was that?
That bang came up when I
Yeah,
said it,
yeah.
call it out.
There's a presence around here. Come to where my voice is. Light this up. Let us know you're here. We're not here to hurt you.
Water just came down on me. Fuck.
Let's keep walking. It's spiking a little bit, but not too much. This place is... Is anybody around? Make a noise. Here, stand still for a minute.
Yeah, when you're talking.
Something's here. Make a noise or light this up. It's nothing.
What do you want to... I don't know why I'm whispering. I need to talk to my normal so I can make sure I get the sound files.
This thing's not even... Oh.
Come on. If you are here, get close to us.
It's trying. That's crazy. Let's go. Did you hear that? What is that?
What's what?
Nothing. Where is it?
Yeah.
How far will we walk?
I'm too blind right now with this light from the camera. Maybe I'll flip it over. I don't know when it shuts off.
I should have brought my camera, took pictures.
You forgot everything.
It's back there. No, it's back there.
Oh.
Let me shut this off. Hold on. Look at.
Oh, here we go. I'm not recording this. Are you following us?
Make it light up 3 on the 3 button again. Come on, you were just doing it. Light up 3.
You don't have to be scared from us. Just get close to us and talk to us.
Light this up. Light it up as high as you want. I'm not here to hurt you.
There we go.
Surprised that light's not coming on. So we're hitting spots on 2, 3. Come on, if you're around, come closer to this device. Come on, we're not here to hurt you. Just want to communicate with you. Let us know you're here. Make a sound. Bang on the train if you have to.
I can't even tell the light down there anymore.
Was this a 3? Are you here with us?
Oh, wow.
Whoa, there you go. Good job. Keep doing that. Are you getting that?
Yeah.
Come on, light it up again.
Let's talk to him. So let's take pauses.
Light it up. Come on, there you go. Keep doing that. So you are here. Light it up high if you're a male. Light it up if you're a female. Okay. So you're a female.
Did you die near the gorge?
Light it up if you did. Did you die on the train?
Oh.
Whoa. Light it up if you know you're dead. Are you okay? Light it up if you're safe. Very good, very good. All right, stop. Or keep going. That's strong, dude. Getting goosebumps.
Oh, what the? I don't know if that's bugs or something just touched my neck.
Light this up again. Are you still here? Come on, light this up for me. There you go. Keep going. Light this up if you don't mind that we're here. If you want us gone, light this up. If you're an evil person, light it up. Are you a good spirit? It's to be gone now. Are you still with us? Light it up. I think we lost her.
Okay.
Oh.
Do you want us to leave?
Light this up big time if you want us out of here.
Do you need help?
Light it up if you know you're dead. Are you okay? Light it up if you're safe. If something is here, knock on the train. Let us know you're here. We're going to be leaving eventually, so if there's anything you want to do to let us know you're here, by all means do it. Knock on the train, throw a rock, light this up. Feel free, whatever you want to do. Just don't attach yourself to us. I was hoping maybe that light would have lit up more than that one time. And I'm surprised the other box didn't do anything.
We're probably just too far away.
Oh, it's got nothing to do with us.
No, I'm talking about like the entrance. Like it's too close to the entrance. It's the closer you get inside is. I'm surprised my camera didn't shut off.
Getting hits at 2, but nothing strong. Look, it was just 3. Look. It won't do it now, will it?
Because he just backs off. She backs off.
Something backs off. Are you here beside us? Light it up. Come on.
Why are you following us? Why am I getting chills on my back right now?
Are you still with us? Light up. Come on. You gonna follow us down to that light? Light it up. Come on. Whatever it was. Come on, bud. Get the hell out of here.
It's really cool down here.
Huh?
It's really cool down here. Like I like it in here. Oh, I can't see.
Man, where did I put that damn light?
I got 19 minutes on this. I gotta do some editing because no one's gonna watch 19 minutes of this.
No, because nothing's really happening.
I'll just get the parts where it's spiking.
And when that light came on.
Yeah.
Because the spikes in the light are the proof that we wanted to get out of tonight, so. Stop for a minute. If there's something in this tunnel, hit the train, make a noise, let us know that you're here. We're not here to hurt you.
Water came down.
Yeah. Come on, bang on the train, hit it, thump it.
I gotta get out. The water's coming down.
God, this place is creepy. Here's the light.
All right, hold on. Stop.
If there's something in this tunnel, if there's someone in this tunnel, go up to that light and turn it on. Because I don't think you have the energy to. Whoa. Okay, I heard that.
Oh,
That was a loud bang.
oh, here we go.
Very good. So that was a bang and the light going off in 30 seconds apart.
So you are following us. Do you need help?
I hear footsteps. God, it's off. Go turn that light on again. Turn the light on, let us know you're here. You proved me wrong once, I don't think you'll turn it on again. Whoa. Please tell me you're recording.
Trust me, I had to do a lot of editing.
Holy shit. Listen. Do another bang on the train or turn the light on. Come on. You gonna turn that light on for us? Bang on the train, do something? Are you still here? Or are you scared? You hiding? Turn that light on for us again, please. There, I'll shut the light off. Now will you shut that light, turn that light on for me so we can see? Come on, go stand over by that light. Just stand there, you don't even have to touch it. Will you at least hit the train, make a noise, throw a rock? We're going to be leaving, so if you want to make yourself known, do it now. Turn that light on, hit the train, do something. I believe that's it, buddy. Okay, we're going to be leaving now. Thank you for having us.
Do you like Chris's voice or do you like my voice?
How are they going to answer that?
You know, I'm just smooth.
Turn that light on if you want us out of here. You turn that light on for us right now, we'll leave. That I promise you. You turn that light on, we'll leave. We'll leave you alone. Turn that light on, and we will leave. Turn that light on if you need help. You know what I'm going to do? Stay here. That's just me turning it on.
You gonna do move it closer?
No, that's good. See if it spikes at all or anything. I don't want to. What if?
Stop whispering, talk louder so I make sure which voice is which.
Just having that effect to keep it on. You know what I want to do before I leave is get my camera. I'm going to take some pictures. All right, you have 3 light sources here. One changes colors, orange, red, white. The other you can turn on and off just by going near it, and the other one sets off different light ranges as you near it too. So you have three choices. You can stand by either one of them. So if you're here, I don't know why that didn't go off yet. Stand back a little more.
You put it on auto, right? There it goes.
All right. Now, if you're here, stand by any of those devices. Light them up. Let us know you're here. This is our last try with you. Stand by any of them. Light them off. Light them all off. I don't care. If you are here with us and you hear my voice, which I know you can because you've already shown you were here, go stand by one of them.
Clicking sound. There's like a clicking sound over there.
Getting the chills. Yo, look at these chills.
I'm the same way, man.
Come on, if you're here, like I said, light any of them up, knock on the train, throw a rock, talk. We're not here to hurt you, we're just here to communicate with you. So please, if you're here, let us know that you're here. We'll get my camera and take some pictures before we go.
Yeah.
That's me.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, make sure you got everything.
All right, well, we're going to be leaving. I'm going to take some still pictures. So if you want us to know that you're here, just let me capture you. Let me get a picture of you. Was that you that just did that bang? Do it again. What the fuck is that? You hear that?
Scratching noises.
Where was it
Yo,
coming from?
yo.
What?
Over here.
What?
Put it over here. What the fuck was that?
What?
I heard scratching right over
You
here.
were scratching here too. I'm taking a picture. We're getting the fuck out of here. Holy shit, dude. You can shut that off.
No, I gotta record everything. Your case is right here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Then I'll just cut some shit out.
You hear that? It was scratching again. It's right there. Something's here with us, dude. I'm telling you. All lights off. Because I don't want it affecting.
All right, so I'm gonna stop. Well, this is gonna conclude our investigation here. Chris is gonna take pictures and we'll post them on the
If
page
you get anything.
if we get anything.